Amen. Before taking your seats, kindly arrange your chair properly and pick up some pieces of paper under your chairs. Okay, you may now take your seats. Now, I'm going to check your attendance. Who is absent?
Nobody is absent, ma'am.
Great. You have perfect attendance. Let's give a round of applause to everyone. Overjoyed. Class, did you make your assignment?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am. Okay, Victor, kindly collect the assignment and pass it in front. Thank you, Victor. Before we proceed to our next topic, let us have first a short review. What was our previous lesson class? Okay, Kanyete?
Our previous lesson, our previous topic was all about figure of speech.
Okay, thank you. Very good. Are there any question or clarification about our previous topic?
None, ma'am.
If none, then we may now proceed to our next topic. But before that, I want to present first my rule that you must follow while class is ongoing. First, avoid unnecessary noise. Second, listen carefully to the teacher. Third, participate actively in our class discussions and activities. Can you do that?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, before we proceed to our new lesson, I will group you into two. This row will be the group 1, and this row will be the group 2. Are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I have a scramble letter here, and what you are going to do is to arrange it. The first group who can arrange it correctly can receive a prize. I'll give you 5 minutes to answer the scramble letters.
Timer. 2 minutes.
Sa gani sunod ani?
Hindi lang. Wala lang yun.
Panjat ya betul.
Select
Kenapa
five.
nih, Pak?
5 minutes. Okay, pare. Na-timer yun ba? Pwede man dari ko imong imute kaya ang dili sa ba. Sugar ko so. Yes. Pwede ko magani participate 2 minutes pa.
Gani.
Muna rin yung 5 minutes. Please magani. Ay mo na kumana ni kanin mo na yan kana percent. Select. Okay, class select one member from your group and present your answer in front. Wow. Ah, layo pa. Ayaw, ganda na yan. Okay, present mo sa Hello?
Namusta pa ang iyang kalag. Maguyok. your group and present your answer in front.
First, the word connotation. The second, the word denotation.
Work. This is the work of group 1. The first trouble we form words is denotation. Correct? And the
Yes.
second trouble errors that we create is denotation.
Okay, thank you, group 1. And the last group is group 2.
Okay, in group 2, the first that we assemble is the first that we scramble is first the connotation and the second denotation.
Okay, thank you, group 2. Based on the given words, what do you think is our lesson for today? Okay, Glendale.
I think, ma'am, our lesson for today is about connotation and denotation.
Very good. Our lesson for today is all about denotation and connotation. But before we proceed, I want you to read first our objectives that we must attend for this morning. So, please everybody please read everybody the objectives.
At the end of the lesson, the student should be able to define connotation and denotation, give examples of connotation and denotation, appreciate the importance of connotation and denotation.
Okay, so since you have already ideas about denotation and connotation, lend me your ears for we are about to discuss our topic for this morning. Are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, our topic this morning is all about the connotation and denotation. Okay, so what's come into your mind when you hear the word line? Okay, Mr. Cañete?
Like means like.
Okay, thank you. How about the word dark? Okay, Botoy.
Dark means sadness, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. What other words can you give you for light and dark? Okay, colors. So today, we're going to learn the different meaning of content-specific words, denotation and connotation. So, what is denotation? Okay, Jane.
Connotation refers to the subjective, no, balik. Connotation refers to the subjective, cultural, or emotional meaning that goes along with the literal definition.
Okay, so connotation is subjective, cultural, or emotional meaning. So, next is denotation. Okay, Victor?
Denotation is the literal or dictionary definition of a word or phrase.
Praise.
Thank you.
Okay, so thank you, Victor. The denotation is the literal meaning or dictionary. Okay, so another example, first words, please kindly read, Victor.
Word,
The word
the word hat.
hat.
Another.
First word is hat.
First word is hat.
And denotative meaning.
Denotative. Denotative or
Denotative.
Sige.
Kasha, the first word is the word hat, and its denotative meaning is highly temperature. Then its denotative meaning is simply attractive or
Sige to, balik to.
The word is hat. And denotative meaning is highly temperature heated. And connotative meaning is extremely attractive English.
Okay, so thank you, Victor. So first word is hot. Denotative meaning is highly temperature heated. And connotative meaning is extremely attractive. So muna siyang so, and the second words, please kindly read. Aijin tago ba? Calls.
Denotative meaning low temperature, connotative meaning popular acceptable.
Okay, so the second word is call. Denotative meaning is low temperature and connotative meaning is popular, acceptable. And then the third words, please kindly read. Kanyete.
The word dead and the denotative meaning is young, absent of life, and its connotative meaning unusual, void sitting.
White city. So the fourth words is dead. Denotative meaning is absent of life and connotative meaning is usual, quiet sitting. And the fifth word is please kindly read Glendale.
The word chick. Its denotative meaning is young bird, and its connotative meaning is girl or woman. Also known as
Okay, thank you. Thank you, Glendale. So, trick words is denotative meaning is young bird and connotative meaning is girl or woman. And saan na siya? Number 6 ano?
the
And
word
5.
the word crazy naman.
Is the word greasy. Please kindly read Botoy.
The word greasy, the denotative meaning of it is insane, mentality, unstable. The connotative meaning, wild and exciting.
Okay, so for the word greasy, denotative meaning is insane, mentally unstable, and the connotative meaning is wild and exciting. And the last but not the least, the word of chart. Please read. Wala na dahil.
Imagine.
Okay, LD Kabilis.
The last word is the word check, and denotative meaning is predatory fish, and connotative meaning is highly skilled.
Okay, so thank you, Mr. Cabeles. The word shark sa denotative meaning is predatory fish and connotative meaning is highly skilled. Okay, so did you know the difference between denotation and connotation?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very good. Now that you know the denotation and connotation, and let's us proceed to our next activity. So I am going to group you into two groups. Each group will be given denotation and connotation chart. Complete the chart by placing the right words on the proper column. And I give you 5 minutes.
Ito yan. Puro may Victor, oh.
Pwede ka na mag-use na agad. Timer.
Puro.
Kailangan saan mag-isa dito makatawa.
Sumat-samat.
Kaon sa to.
Kurang yung gamot ron kan ba?
Sige po ni Plulo.
Sa burahan tayo yung tago.
Kani mo na yung presenta doy.
Ay, nabuta ng himo.
Gani.
Are you really done, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay, so select one member from your group and present your work in front. Okay.
Present.
Okay, so the first group will present the group 2.
The word snake, its denotation is serpent, and its connotation sometimes with represented evil or danger. And the words blue. So its denotation is color, and its connotation sad. And the word bird. So its denotation feathered animals with wings. Freedom.
Okay.
The next word is bird. Its denotation is feathered with wings, freedom, and its connotation, freedom. And the word smoke. Its denotation is house, and its connotation is safe.
Okay, thank you, group 2. The last group.
The snake word denotes the serpent, and its connotation is evil. And second is the word blue, and it denotes color, and connotation is sad. And bird denotation of bird is animals with wings, and the connotation is freedom. And the last is home, and the denotation of home is house, and its connotation is safe.
Okay, thank you, group 1. So congratulations everyone, your all answer is correct. Okay? So, generalization ano?
Ito i-recall niyo ang
Okay, so,
topic.
did you understand our lesson for today, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay? Glendale, what is denotation and connotation?
Oh, isa ra.
I say, what is denotation?
Denotation is the literal meaning of the words or the dictionary definition.
How about the connotation?
The connotation is the imaginative association surrounding with the words.
Okay, very good. Now, Jo Marie, kindly differentiate the denotation and connotation.
Denotation is different from connotation because connotation is the feeling a word invokes, while denotation is what the word literally says.
Okay, thank you, Kanyete. Since there is none, we will have a short quiz. So I will read the directions. So, identify the meaning of words. Write B if the underlined words is denotation, and C if it is connotation. Write your answer on the blank. Okay, so first sentence is Linda got low score in her test. She is blue. So the underlined word is blue. Then the second, Lito saw a big snake in their backyard. So the word underlined is snake. define the meaning of words. So, first word, a word is shape.